Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You open SQL Server Management Studio and choose Connect to Database Engine to begin. This is where the handshake starts. First, type the server or instance name exactly because SSMS needs to resolve the target. Once done, pick the authentication mode, Windows for integrated security, SQL Server for username/password. Make sure your account has login rights. You're making the direct link between your client and the server, so accurate names and permissions matter to proceed. Now refine the connection. If you have a named instance, use server name \instance. If connecting by IP, include port or comma notation. Choose your authentication and supply credentials. This tells SQL Server who you are and what you can do. Click Options to select a default database, change the network protocol to TCP/IP if needed, and adjust connection timeout to avoid premature failures. These settings control how SSMS negotiates the session, so adjust them when default values fail. Click Connect and watch Object Explorer populate. That confirms the session. You should run a quick query like Select One to verify query execution and permissions. If the connection fails, don't panic. Check that the SQL Server service is running, confirm firewall or router allows port 1433 or your configured port, and revalidate credentials or authentication mode. Also ensure SQL Server allows remote connections. One key tip: enable TCP/IP in SQL Server Configuration Manager.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.